Hey guys, what's up? Just finished a good breakfast. Had an omelet with toast, slices of cucumber, tomato on a piece of lettuce. Oddly enough, when you get toast here, they don't, at least at the restaurant I ate at, they don't serve it with jelly or jam. It comes with a little bowl of mayonnaise. Mayonnaise with your breakfast toast. It's a new one on me, but it kind of goes with everything. You dip your cucumbers in it, dip your tomato slices in it, dip your toast in it. So very good. Figured I'd head up this little street. See what's up. Got some things over here. Buy some pants for 10,000 real. Statues, of course. I do need some stuff for my apartment. Nothing with kids though. Don't have any of those. I'm good. There. But yeah, my apartment is looking kind of sparse. Nothing on the walls. All I have is the furniture that came with it. I figured maybe I can find some things today that perhaps would spruce it up a little bit. Now that I'm out here, I recognize this place. I know where I am. I'm up here by the temple. As you remember, I've been inside there before. You've seen this in a couple videos if you've been watching. What's up, guys? There's the school right there. Which is why it's a good place for all these vendors to set up. Kids are just now getting out on part of their break between classes. Oh, looks like the renovation over there is going good. It's actually made some progress since the last time I was down here. This guy, again, this is the third day in a row. It's kind of overcast. According to my weather app, there's a 10% chance of rain, but I see that as a 90% chance that I will stay dry until I can get back to my apartment. Fingers crossed. cooking up some food over there. That is smelling good. That is smelling really good. What we got over here? Oh, fish. Look at that fish. Ooh, fresh fish too. That is smelling good. Man, if I wouldn't have just ate, I'd buy a couple of those. You would know what I mean if you could smell what I'm smelling. That just wafted over all the way across the street. Right into my nose, right into my stomach hole, where I wish that fish was. Actually, that sounded kind of gross. Forget I said that. But my videos are unedited, so you just have to put up with my nonsense sometimes. I mean, I could take the time and edit out all the mistakes and all the things I think people might not like, but I just don't want to. I think it's better if you just get a clear picture of Cambodia and what I see every day, what I'm thinking. Security place. Yeah. Oddly enough, there's no security out front. So, I guess I could just walk right in and yeah. This is the USA International School. This is one of the schools I'm going to be applying at. I'm going next week. I have a lead on 2 others, API. And there was one more that said they were hiring. I forget the name, but I have it written down. That gives me 3 that I know are hiring, and a whole list of others I can apply to thanks to my friend Lyndon, who actually sent me a spreadsheet with a list of all the schools in the area, along with email addresses, websites, and all that good stuff. I believe I've been down some of these roads before. Well, let's take a walk down here anyway. Ooh, I'm right here by a sewage kind of tunnel, whatever you want to call it. The smell was much better back on that road. That fish fry almost made me hungry again. I'm just going up this way to get away from the smell of that sewer. It's pretty overwhelming. This is much better. Looks like they have little crocheted hats over there. What it looks like. One thing I will tell you, if you come here to visit or move here, something that you should be very aware of is that no matter where you're walking, they'd even include sidewalks and streets, you're going to run into things like this. Even if you're doing something else, you always need to pay attention to where you're walking. You'll just find holes in the sidewalks and chunks of it missing. If you're not paying attention, you could easily just, you could fall in, fall down, twist or break an ankle, and then you got an expensive hospital bill. They like that right there. This was nighttime and you were just walking along not paying attention. Yeah, that would hurt. The thing is, they're working on the infrastructure. You always see people, you always see roads being repaired, but there's only so much, woo, that was loud. But you only have so much money to do all these things. So it gets done slowly. However, it does get done. And I think that's the important thing. Place looks like a little cafe. Looks like. Hello. Yeah. Again, I'm just coming up, it looks like on the other side of where I walked, up here by the temple. This place must be pretty big because I see this, I see these walls everywhere around here. And here we are right back where we started. When I was coming up, I went down that way over there. Just went around in a little circle.
Hello.
Hello. Good. How are you?
Where are you from?
United States.
United States. Cambodia. How long in Cambodia?
I've been here
Been here
2 months.
2 months? Oh,
And I'm going to stay at least a year.
really still. Oh, I like see in Cambodia. My like here room in my school over there here. You look inside the temple?
I've been on the other side.
Oh, in the side.
Yeah, going up toward Street 20.
Literally.
There's a little entrance up there.
Yeah. I hear my LIC and the teacher in the school here.
You?
Yeah.
Oh,
in
nice.
English and Japanese.
Nice.
You see, you have 1 minute inside.
Yeah, I see.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's all being renovated. I saw that earlier. Ooh. So how old is this
In here?
temple?
Yeah,
Yeah.
like see, you have 228.
228 years.
Yeah, you see here.
Wow. That's a lot of history.
This day here, the guy, you have the Pol Pot, the kill. You know Pol Pot?
Pol Pot?
Yeah.
Oh
Pol
yeah.
Pot, the kill, the guy, the mother,
Yeah.
the father, the kill, the monk in the group, the temple in here. This day.
In here?
Yeah, in here. This day here, the kill, the die in the. This day kill, the die, the baby. You know baby?
Yeah.
My baby, the Pol Pot, the kill, the die in the group, in the Khmer rule, the temple here.
Oh man.
Yeah. This name. name in Cambodia, the name. Yeah, not here.
Oh man.
No English.
That's all right.
Just
That's all
stay
right.
here, my Buddha. You have one more. My children this way. One more. This. And here, the mother, father. They have the monk. You know the monk?
Yeah.
Yeah, they stay in the.
So these are all like
Yeah.
tombs.
Yeah, tomb. They stay here.
Oh, okay.
Just stay here. They have the monk and my teacher in Balay language. You know Balay? Balay. Opasana. You know
Oh, yeah,
Opasana?
yep.
My and near the Pol Pot, the kill here. Pol Pot, the die, the kill, the group here.
Oh,
You
no.
have in here 128.
128 people.
Yeah, before in like see.
In
Very
there.
old, very old.
Yeah.
Yeah. This
Wow.
is there like see.
So how long is it going to take to finish this?
To take here? How long?
Yeah, about how long? Do they have a time?
Like see free time. Free. You have 10 years old. Yeah.
So it's gonna take about 10 years.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Speak. Let's get.
No, that's all right. That's all right. I like that tree.
You see my children. You live here. Over there, you have 100 children. No mother, no father. The mother, father, and 8 IV the temple here. I hear my teacher here. Teacher, you live in small. Study. I'm a teacher.
That is
You
awesome.
see, you have 1 minute. My English school, the temple here, Opa. You have 1 minute. My English. Oh, camera, very good.
This is for YouTube.
Yeah, you have the small camera.
Hey guys, you can read that.
Japanese.
Oh, Japanese.
Yeah.
That's
You see,
Oh, okay.
You see my in the school room here, my
okay.
this way, and here my Buddha, my children. This is school. This is orphanage, like see temple.
Wow, look at man, they're all smiling. I love kids because they can
Yeah.
they can bounce back from anything, man, and still have a smile on their
Yeah.
face.
You see my in the here. Donation my children and food for pen to school the temple in Pagoda here.
Oh,
Yeah. Sponsored by charity during my company.
do you have a is there a website?
Oh, I'm sorry, in the school here no website.
Oh, no website.
You see,
Oh.
they see here.
I was hoping to get the
Yeah, can I name?
Okay guys, hang on a second. I'm gonna sign this. I'll be right back.